Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to very quickly design your e-commerce website with Elementor. From your website backend, mouse over to your website name on the top left-hand panel. Right-click on your website name and click Open Link in New tab. You will be able to see your website's front end in the new tab. If your front end doesn't look like this, it means you have previously used a kit design on your website. If you prefer not to use that template, you can go back to your hosting backend under Manage this website and do a reset to your website. Note that this means you will need to reinstall WooCommerce plugin again. If you would like to explore Elementor's collection of design options, you can simply mouse over templates and then click on Kit Library. You will see a variety of templates you can use. There are a total of 5 broad categories for these templates, namely Simple Website, Wireframe, Portfolio, Online Store, and Blog or Magazine. You can click on View Demo to see how the template website will look like. I'm showing you the demo page of a wireframe template. Wireframes are just layout designs and do not come with image access. One thing I love about Elementor is that it can easily help you create a mobile responsive website. At the demo page, you can also check out how your website will look with tablet and mobile view. For my tutorial, I'm going to use the merchandise shop template. This is because it looks clean, suitable for any kind of products and caters to sellers who may not have many images to use. To use the merchandise shop template, select the online store category. Then look for merchandise shop and click on View Demo. Click on the Apply Kit pink button at top right-hand corner. Click on Apply All when a pop-up window appears. Wait for Elementor to set up your kit. It takes a while. Once your kit is successfully installed, you will see this page. Simply click on Close at bottom right-hand corner. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to set up your site identity.